I've got a world's first in this box. Alright, welcome along to Joe Reviews. Today I've got the world's first strongest coffee, and it's in this box. So I was mooching about on the tinternet and I come across this company called Skullcrusher Coffee, and I thought, ooh, that's quite cool. It had like pictures of skulls, and it says, we have the strongest coffee, you know, best coffee ever. So I thought, fair enough. So they had this offer for $14.99 for a 500 gram bag of the coffee. You could either get it ground or the beans, and it came with a free mug. Now, the mugs were awesome. They had so many cool designs. I think the design I picked was deaf to caffeine. I'll just show you my order there so you can see. That's what I ordered. And anyway, it's come. Here's the box. So pretty excited to crack it open and see what it's all about. So yeah, like I say, I paid $14.99 for the big bag of coffee, the mug, and then I paid £3.74 for delivery. So it totaled to $18.73. But anyway, let's crack it open and see what this Skullcrusher coffee is all about. Let's get in this bad boy here. Right then. I do like ripping a box open. It's like a sense of achievement, isn't it? We've got a bit of that. So here's the bag of coffee. And I'm guessing that the mug they give me is invisible, because it's definitely not in here. So I've not got any mug, so that's nice. Anyway, let's have a look at this. So here's the pack. Nice black, feels like a good quality pack, that. And it says, warning, effing strong coffee. I'm not going to swear. I'm better than that. Skullcrusher coffee. And you can either get the bean or the ground. I got the ground because I don't have a bean crusher. And you get 500 grams. So it's quite a bonny, you know. I mean, oh, here you go. It says here, 25 servings. So it's not too bad, that, is it? And then it go again. It's got warning, effing strong coffee. It's got 350 milligrams of caffeine. So there you go. I went on the website just to, again, just to have a look, because I don't really know much about this company. It's from Manchester. So it's UK based, Manchester. And the little line they put is this: sleep is for the weak. Unlock those hours on the clock forbidden to mere mortals. So there you go. So strength wise, 350 milligrams, it's going to be like a pre-workout. Most of them are about, you know, 200 to 350 milligrams of caffeine. So there you go. Anyway, so how does it say? It says brewing method here. Using a filter or cafetiere, add 2.5 tablespoons to 170 ml of water. Max strength, brew for 5 minutes in cafetiere. Anyway, to open this coffee, it's got a little tab here. So let's just peel this. This is what I'm guessing anyway. No instructions. So give that a little peel there, so you can see. Oh, thank you. And it looks like it's got a nice little reseal on there, which is always good. Oh, it's quite stiff, that. That's what she said. There you go. So it's quite a cool little opening there, like a resealable little bit there. There you go. So that's cool. Oh, it smells really good. I do love the smell of a good coffee. It does smell good, yes. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm going to boil the kettle, get the cafetiere. I'll be back in a sec with a brew. Anyway, I'm back with the cafetiere. It's got the coffee in there. It's been brewing for a good 5 minutes. So let's give it the squeeze and see what it tastes like. Oh, I'll tell you what, so satisfying pushing the knob on a cafetiere. There we go. Anyway, I've got my, after this brew I'm going for a poo because my mug didn't come. I just checked my delivery email from them. I'll just show you there. And it definitely says they've shipped me a mug. So I don't know what's going on there. I'm going to have to email them and see if I'll get the mug. Hopefully I will, because they did look like really good mugs. So update pending. I'll post something on the socials if the mug comes. So anyway, let's have a look at this coffee. There you go, look at that. Oh yes. Oh, it's a good brew, that. There you go. I've just put a splash of milk in there just because I'm not in the mood for a pure black coffee today. So there you go. It does smell really good. I do love proper ground coffee done in the cafetiere. It's good. You know, I get lazy and I just use a Tassimo, but you know, when you can be bothered to get the cafetiere out, it is good. You can tell it's a very strong coffee. You can tell it's really strong. I'm trying to think what I can compare it to. The coffee I can kind of compare it to is Taylor's Lazy Sunday ground coffee. It's a bit of a taste of that. But I'd say the Taylor's Sunday coffee is a lot smoother than this. It's quite a harsh, in-your-face coffee, this. Quite a good, strong taste. But yeah, it's alright. So there you go. Skullcrusher. The effing strongest coffee. Effing strong coffee, sorry. So there you go. I'll keep you updated if I do get the mug. Hopefully I will. So yeah, you could probably use this for a pre-workout, 350 milligrams of caffeine. Have it with your morning brew before you head to the gym. Anyway, thanks for watching. Smash a like, subscribe. I'll catch you lot on the next video. See you later.